You got to get your color. You put in the water, then yeah, there you go. What color is that? Blue, yeah.
Pink.
No, don't paint your fingers. Don't paint your fingers. Paint on the paper.
Ta-da!
Yeah, there you go. Here, you want mommy to move your paint? There you go. Now you can see all your paper. You can draw over here too.
Ta-da!
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 There you go. Yellow.
Ta-da!
Our first time painting, so we're not quite sure. She hasn't learned to keep it to one color yet, but she's having fun. Say hi.
Hi.
Good girl. No, we don't paint our fingers. Delaney.
1, 2.
Okay.
4.
Say bye.
Bye.